What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got another cool install for you guys. We got some brand new from Synth carbon fiber mirror caps. So we're going to be installing that today. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You don't really need any tools other than a flathead screwdriver and a couple of towels so you don't scratch up the mirror. But I'll show you guys how it all works. It should be pretty quick. Alright, so right here I've got the mirror cap. I've got the other one inside, but there are two. Obviously it's going to come in a pair. And this is full real carbon fiber, and it is full replacement. As you can see, it's got the tabs here, so it's going to replace the OEM one. And so we're going to pop the whole OEM one off and put this one on. It's not one of those stick-on 3M taped ones. This thing looks amazing, great quality. So hopefully it fits just as nice as it looks. Alright, so the one I'm doing here first is the passenger side. So I'm right over here. I've got my little towels, my flathead screwdriver. Should be all I need for this install. First thing we gotta do is pop the glass out. And that's what the screwdriver is for. It's also gonna be used to pop the cap off of here. So let's go ahead and move this. If you didn't know, this can go towards the front. I'm gonna use my towel here. I want to push up on the glass. There, you're gonna see me. Okay, so I'm gonna try to stick this underneath in here, just try to not scratch anything up. So push that in there. Alright, we're gonna push the mirror from the top all the way in, because we want to go in from the bottom with the screwdriver and basically pry out. So here we go. I'm gonna stick the screwdriver in here to the bottom, going up. I'm slowly gonna pry out. It's got a couple tabs back here I gotta get it off of. So there we go. Actually came off pretty easily. Holding it here at the tops, and there it is. And there's the back. See, here's the two little clips here that are holding it, these two guys. So we're gonna try to pry, I guess, more to the right, but I came over here as well to try to pry it out of the two holes that are in here. Alright, so we're gonna set this off to the side right here on this towel. Now for the mirror cap to come off, there's a couple tabs right up here. There's these two tabs that you want to just get my flathead and basically push in there so they unclip and then pull out from the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back here, get my screwdriver. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's these little tabs right up in there. There's one there and one over here. Sorry if you can't see it. There it is, one back there, one back here. We're just gonna push back on it, get it to unclip, and it should come out. Pretty sure that was the only thing holding it. Alright, so after you pop those two tabs in the top, then there's gonna be a third tab that's gonna go, it's gonna be right in there. And it's pretty far back. These, you push up on them. The one in there, you wanna push down on it with your flathead screwdriver. So, go ahead and grab it. Go straight back there. Alright, so let's get this tab. It's in there. It's pretty hard to get to. Or not to get to, but it's pretty hard to get it to go down, but there we go. This whole thing's gonna lift out. And there it is. 3 tabs. And there was one here, but I broke it. Damn. Shit, there it is. I have no idea how you would even get to a side clip. But it looks like this went on here like that. Oh yeah, I see it. Clipped right in here. But that's on the inside. I wouldn't... Let me see. How the hell am I supposed to get a screwdriver back there to pop that out sideways? There's no other hole on this side. Unless, maybe. Let me see if this would have reached. actually take this back out. I don't think there's even access. Yeah, see, there's no access to get back here to push this out from the inside. So how the hell was I supposed to even get that? The top? No, because there's no way to get it down far enough. And this doesn't go because it gets stuck back there. Well guys, I don't know, man. It broke, so it popped off, but there is a clip back here on the inside. Maybe if you push the black part here in from out here with the flathead, but obviously use a towel so it doesn't break it, or so it doesn't scratch it all up. Maybe if you push in like that, it would have popped it out. But either way, at least it doesn't seem like it'd be that needed for it to actually hold. These three should be more than fine, especially looking at the carbon fiber one. If you look at the carbon fiber one, oh wait, I was gonna say it doesn't have a side clip, it was just a 3, but it does have a side clip. I don't know, maybe you guys could think of something else, but as far as I see, the only way to get that clip off, because it's literally the whole thing slides in and then eventually it clips right there, you know, this part. But the only way I see of taking that off, since you can't get a screwdriver back there to push out, would be to push the plastic here in. Yeah, maybe if I pushed it in and pulled the cover out, then maybe you would have got it. But anyways, old one out. It's time to put the new one in. I get this lined up good, especially since I don't want to break a tab. But it should just be able to slide. Oh yeah, it's nice and flush there. Nope, I feel a click. Alright, let me look on this side, make sure it's all aligned. There we go, it's popping into place. Let's make sure we pop in the side here. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera because obviously, as you can see, the cameras are in my face. So I'm gonna try to pop it in and then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, there it is. I managed to get it all popped in. Got my 3 clips in, chucked in there. I know you guys can't see now, but took a flashlight, as you can see. The top clip did clip right there, and so did this side. So it does clip into place. The only thing I've noticed is not perfect, and I don't really expect it to, but it's pretty damn close. Small little gap there, but no big deal. And then also up here, as you can see, it sticks out a little further. You know, it's not flush with the black piece like the OEM one, but again, I don't expect it to be 100%. But at least for the top, this wasn't bad. Easy to put in. It does tuck in under the black plastic, so keep that in mind. So there's a little bit extra, so it does get tucked in there. Just be careful with it when putting it on. That ended up pretty nicely there. You know, that's just the way it's made. That's why it's got that curve to it here. But it still went in all the way. And the whole bottom part here, it's all nice and flush. No complaints there. Just again here, you can see how it was a little bit too rounded, too big. But no big deal. There it is, guys. Synth carbon mirror covers. Take your time. You don't want to break your OEM one, but if you do, whatever, it's still got the other 3 clips, so it shouldn't be that bad. Should come back on easily if you ever need to put it back on. But this is nice on there, solid. I did hear it click in the 3 spots, so, and the one on the side is also clicked in, so it's not going to go anywhere for sure. Now we just pop the mirror back in here. We'll be all set. Get the tabs. Should go straight in. Yep, there you go. push that sucker in there. And then of course you're gonna have to readjust it later with your controls inside, get it back to the spot you had it. But yeah guys, there it is. That's how you install it. If you're new to the channel and you haven't seen my other videos, you'll notice right here I've got the side pillars also from Synth Carbon, my bad. So I've got that right here in the door pillars, back here as well. I've also got their steering wheel covers, but definitely had to get these. I was excited when they came back in stock because they do sell out quickly, and it's usually a couple months before they come back in stock again. So I'm glad I was able to get that. So now it's all matching. Got carbon here, carbon there, kind of goes throughout. I've got carbon on my wing as well, if you new again, you haven't noticed that. The real carbon fiber on the side of the wing here as well. That's from absdynamics.com. Highly suggest that wing. It's been great. It's been on here for about 2.5 years, I want to say. Yeah. So it's been great quality. So yeah, now I got carbon all the way across the top here. Next step is going to be to do the hood one day, one of these days. Of course, it's saving for last because it's the most expensive part. But for now, it's wrapped satin black, goes good with it. Eventually, it will be carbon fiber, and then I'll have a whole carbon fiber setup here on the side. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how to do the other side because it's literally the exact same thing, just opposite ends. But it's still, when you go to take it off, pop the mirror same way. Have the 3 clips with the one on the inside. Don't forget about that one. Don't be like me and break it. Well guys, as always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care and have a great day.